Today I'll show you how to install Rekordbox on your macOS on MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. This is the DJing application, and it's I'm looking forward to install this actually on the MacBook. The easiest way to install Rekordbox is to go to Google and search for Rekordbox download, and you might go to the AlphaTheta website. It's basically AlphaTheta owns Pioneer now, and also Rekordbox is linked with the PioneerDJ controllers. You download the installation file, and it's better to use the latest version, I believe Rekordbox 7. Why not? Unless you need to keep the older versions. You have to sign in with your account, and also if you have a DJ controller, I have the DDJ-FLX4. Then this is the time when you connect the controller to your Rekordbox, to the computer, to a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. And here I chose free because I don't really need all those options, and you get the performance mode. Connecting the DDJ-FLX4 in my case will unlock the performance mode for Rekordbox. I didn't have it connected here while I was showing you. I have another video where I show you how to set up the DDJ-FLX4 to use stems, even to use real-time separation of the vocal and instrumental tracks and bass line and drums. For that, this was on Windows, but it's going to be the same on Mac. I will make another one for Mac also, how you set up the whole DDJ-FLX4 and see how it works. But this is how you install the Rekordbox application on your macOS. This is macOS 26 MacBook Air. Thanks for watching.